Hey there guys, Sobi TV here. Found another shiny. This is 4 shinies, so again I found 2 in a day again. So yesterday I found 2 and today I found 2 as well. This time around it's a shiny hairyama, so without further ado, enjoy. These come so fast, it's really crazy. Shiny hairyama. It looks really cool. If you guys can see him. There he is. That looks really cool. I've got so many shinies now. I've got 4 on this file, which is insane. I'm pretty sure this has whirlwind, so I'm gonna have to catch it pretty sharpish. See what we can use. I guess I'll weaken it first, but I hope it doesn't use whirlwind. I don't know if it has whirlwind or not. Okay. Bit nervous. Jeez. Guys, look at its health. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Okay, I need to catch this. Oh my god, I thought it killed itself then. Come on. Please do not kill yourself. Look at its health. It must be on 1 HP. Jeez. This is really not... This is just uncomfortable. I hate feeling like shinies are gonna kill themselves. 3. Yes! Okay, we got him. Panic over. Yes. Oh gosh, that was close. That was very close. Shiny decks as well. Hairyama, for us Pokemon. It stomps on the ground to build power. It can send a 10-ton truck flying with a straight arm punch. Wow. That's pretty crazy. I'll call him what I used to call my 4, which you can see in my pedo video if you really want to. And that was, I made this up. It's quite a clever name. Basically it's a boy, so there's the boy's name Joe. I played on words with dojo. Okay, so save the game. That took like 4 encounters, that's insane. Alright, nature check. Let's have a look at his nature. Ah, that's an awesome nature. Relaxed, capable of taking hits. Whoa. Oh dude, get out of here, that's awesome. Okay, well there you have it. Shiny hairyama, relaxed, capable of taking hits. That's a wicked nature. Ah, gotta be kidding. And oh, look at that. It's on 1 HP. 1 little strand of health left. Crazy. Gosh, I thought it was taking Fire Fang well. Well, there it is, shiny hairyama. Come on, come on. Oh, damn it. Gosh, that's an awesome hairyama. I'm gonna use it in my Trick Room team. Ah, that's so cool. My awesome shiny Delphox. Okay. Okay. No, I'm fine. I'm filming something at the minute. Sorry guys, that was just my dad. Gosh, I just feel like I'm getting all my Christmas presents early. I mean, not only are these pretty decent natures, but they're just freaking awesome Pokemon. They're like the coolest shinies, the ones that look the coolest out of the shinies. I mean, Hariyama's got purple hands, and it just looks so cool. Delphox is purple. Pyro's eyes are red. I mean, jeez, that looks so cool. Just gonna check its IVs. Alright, its IVs are defense, special defense. Oh, that's so good. Its defense and special defense are maxed out, so it's really bulky. Oh, that's a wicked Hariyama. Alright, I'm really happy with that one. That's a nice shiny. Just mark it quick. It's got attack, defense. Just like my Klefki, maxing both defenses out the wild. Oh, so cool. That looks so cool. It's perfect, absolutely perfect for my Trick Room team. Its ability's good, but it's kind of the wrong ability because it's supposed to really have guts just to make it really powerful. I'm not gonna say. Oh well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you guys next time. I just can't lose at the minute. My luck's really good. Alright, that's 2 shinies yesterday and 2 shinies today. Hopefully, you know, it could be free. Who knows? Anyway, until next time, see ya.